What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to make a non-stop passive income, and you just need to upload a video and you can make 5, 6 or $7 per upload, and I will show you everything in just 3 steps. So look this: step number 1, get free videos. Step number 2, re-upload those videos. And step number 3, get paid today. It's 100% free method and it's all wide open for anyone. So anyone can apply this method and make non-stop passive income, and it's 100% free. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JVZoo, and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. And I am working here for last 8 years, and I am making helpful make money related videos in the daily basis. And you see here. So guys, first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel, and if you want to make money by online and if you want to start your online journey for lifetime, then this YouTube channel will help you. You see here, I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content, a lot of helpful info inside my YouTube channel. You see here. And if you want to make big money like me, over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. And at the end of this video, I will show you how I make this big money per month and I will show everything about this method, about this training program, about this online business system, and by how I make this $1,000 per month. Now guys, let's start with me and follow every step by step. Don't miss any part of this video, and I will show you step by step everything, so you don't need any difficulties. I'll show you everything, so there is no excuse for you. I can't apply this, or how can I do it? There is no excuse. I will show you step by step in these 3 steps. So guys, let's check into my computer and stay tuned with me with this video. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates. So guys, you see here this website payhip.com. So it's this website. It's a website. Here you can upload videos and you can sell those videos for $5, $6, $7, anything as your wish. So at first visit this website payhip.com and see here, get started free. Just put your email address, make password and create your account. After creating your account, log in here. I already create this account, and you see here it's the dashboard of this payhip.com website, and you have to upload videos inside this website and you can make money per videos as your wish. So guys, let's check all the video step by step. Okay, now you have to get videos and re-upload videos. So for getting free videos, you see here this website PLR Minds resellable digital products here. So you will get a lot of free videos inside this website. Just log in here, make your free account, and after creating your account you will get these freebies. You see here, freebies. Now in this case you have to download videos. You see here, free videos. Go access here, and a lot of free videos inside here. If you have an account inside this plrmind.com, then you can directly download it, and you see here, get it now, click here. And if you have account, then you can wait. Look here, if you have don't account inside PLR Minds, then you have to simply share this page, this download page in Twitter or Facebook, then you can accessible this download link. That's it. And if you have account, then you can create download link here, like me. You see here, I have account and download this video LinkedIn for business, and click this download and simply download this video. Okay, so visit PLR Minds, create your account, go this freebies and download unlimited videos inside here. You see here already a lot of videos, inside here. And it's a PLR website, so you can reuse all those videos for your own purpose, on selling anything as your wish. So it's a PLR site, so there is no copyright issue, there is no copyright claim inside this website. Okay, now go this website payhip.com, and step number 3, re-upload videos. Okay, so guys, let's check it here, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel also. Okay, now you see here, add your first product. Just click here, then click here, add a product. Now you have to choose the category, add digital product. Now you have to upload your files. %, completed. Now you have to choose your title, and it's simple. LinkedIn for business. It's your title. Now set the price. You can set any price, 4, 5, 6, 10, anything, but I recommend you to set low price, that you can set 6.97. okay, now you can add your image. This image is here, just click here, set image. Now you have to upload image, and you can put simple description, and you will get this description here. Just copy from here and set your description. Okay, fine. Now add product. Just boom, you see here, show your product page. So guys, that's it. It's your product title, it's your name, and it's the price and the product details, and you can enter your payment details. From those way you can get paid and select your payment details here. It's simple, and that's it. And you can share this product into your Facebook page, into your Twitter page, and you can share as much as you want. And as much as you want, you can upload videos inside this website, and you can make non-stop passive income using this simple 3-step method, and it's 100% free. So guys, if this video helped you, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro, and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates. And it's an educational YouTube channel based on online marketing, affiliate marketing, and a lot of helpful content inside here. And I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So guys, it will helpful if you subscribe this subscribe button. And it's the bonus method that I personally use it for making $1,000. It's Legendary Marketer. If you are a newbie and you don't know from where, how can I start my online business, how can I, or if you are an expert and you can think, I don't know how to long run my online business, then the solution is Legendary Marketer. It's a 15 days business challenge. You will be, after joining here, you will get the 15 days business challenge. A coach will be appointed for you, and a lot of marketing strategies, traffic strategies, a lot of helpful resource inside this Legendary Marketer. And it's for 7. Anyone can join here and make big money from online and long run your online journey. So guys, that's it. So step number 1, create a account inside Payhip. Step number 2, get free videos from PLR Minds. Step number 3, re-upload videos inside Payhip and make money, non-stop passive money for these videos. So guys, that's it. And don't forget to like this video, and if you have any question, then I am always here to answer your question. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I try my best to help people for making money online. So guys, don't be frustrated. You will if you subscribe my YouTube channel, I assure it. And so guys, see you soon. God bless you. Take action and get results. Bye.